Today we were honored to receive a check for $8,000 by the Texas Chemistry Alliance and Valero Refinery. It's going to help us grow our Dia de los Muertos welding competition and also help benefit the scholarships for the Dia de los Muertos welding competition. A big thanks to TCA and Valero.
The Texas Chemistry Alliance is honored to have had Del Mar Welding Program participate in our first annual Sweethearts and Shotguns event sponsored by Valero Refinery. This gives us an opportunity to help raise money to get our youth prepared for the workforce. This gives them an opportunity to network, and it bears value for the community as well as for the industry.